Today's lecture 27 of Basic Electronics is about JK flip-flop.
To our channel Class 9 Community. The previous lecture was on the SR flip-flop. If you haven't watched, then please watch it. Then only you come to this lecture. Then only you can understand this lecture very perfectly. So see, JK flip-flop is a you can derive it from a SR flip-flop. See, in JK flip-flop, the only difference is that there is a third input which is connected to the one to the Q bar and one is connected to the Q. And if I delete or erase this two wires, I will get my SR flip-flop. So, the JK flip-flop will have three inputs in each of the NAND gates, and this part is a latch which we have already done, SR latch, right? Why we are doing JK flip-flop? We know that in the SR flip-flop, when it was 1-1, we are getting an invalid state, right? So to remove that invalid state, we need to know the JK flip-flop. So how we will do the JK flip-flop? The truth table of JK flip-flop is similar to the SR flip-flop. That means when my clock is 0 and whatever is the input of the JK, it doesn't matter. The Q and the Q bar will give me the memory state. That means the whatever will be my previous memory, it will give that thing only. If it would be 0-1, it will give me a 0-1, and if it will be 1-0, then it will give me 1-0. Similarly, when I do the clock high and I give J as 0 and K as 0, I get 0 and 1 as my output. And whenever I give my clock high and JK is 0-0, that means both of the inputs are 0-0, it will give me similar to my SR flip-flop, that is the memory. And when I give the input as 1-0, I get the output as 1-0, similar to the SR flip-flop. The only difference I get is in JK flip-flop is the last state, that is when my J is 1, K is 1. So if I think my Q bar is, if I take my Q bar as 0 and Q as 1, that means this Q value goes here, this is 1, and this clock value is already 1, right? Now Q bar is equal to 0, so this 0 comes here and this one is 1, right? When I give the NAND input as all as 1, 1, 1, I will get my output as 0. And if one of the input is 0, I will get my output as 1. And I know that whenever my latch is 0, 1, what will I get? I will get 1, 0, right? Now, if I take this one, this value of Q bar 1 here and this 0 here, that means I will get my here as 1 and here as 0, and so 1, 0 means my latch will be 0, 1. So like this it will continue changing. So this operation is known as toggling, that it will continue. And we will represent this is as Q bar, okay? And this will be our Q because this is our memory. So this is a truth table of the JK flip-flop. Truth table of JK flip-flop. That means it is similar to the SR flip-flop truth table, but the only difference which we need to overcome was that the last state and JK flip-flop is doing, and it is doing the toggling mode, right? Now we will make the characteristic table. So as I told, the characteristic table depends on the next state. That means Q bar we have to find, and we will have the input as Q, J and K, right? So as there are three variables, there will be 4 zeros in the first column and 4 ones. Respectively, second column will be 2 zeros, 2 ones until I reach the 7th row if I start my value from the 0. and the respective last column will be 0 1 combinations. So now I will see for JK's when it is 0 0. When it is 0 0, I will get my memory. So my memory is 0. When I get 0 1, it is 0. When it is 1 0, it is 1, and when it is 1 1, it is Q bar, that means opposite of 0, right? Yes, as I told that it will be toggling, that means Q bar. As my Q is 0, so my bar will be 1, opposite. Now when I give 0 0, it will be memory, right? It will be memory, so my memory is 1, so I will write 1 here. And it is 0 1, so it will be 0 and 1 0 1, and it is 1 1, that means Q bar, that means 1 is 0. So I get my excitation table. If I want to make its K map, it will be QJK, that is the 3 variable K map, right? It will start from 0 1, then it will jump to 2, then it will back to 3, then 4 5, jump 6, back 7. 0 1, this is 0 0, 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? Now I will see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Now see 2 3, so 1 1 4 1 6 1, right? So I will make a grouping of this. One grouping will be like this, another grouping will be like this. So what will be my Q bar equation? So it is not changing, so Q bar, it will be plus, as J is not changing, so it will be J, as it is 1 1. So 1 is non-complementary, and we know that 0 is the complementary. So Q bar, sorry, it will be into, right? Q bar J, okay, plus this grouping will be Q, and Q will be, and here as the K is not changing, it will be K bar, okay, because 0 0, so complement. So this will be our equation. Now I have to do my excitation table. As I told, the excitation table depends on the characteristic table. So here we will have Q, Q bar and JK, right? So it will be 0 0 1 1, then 0 1 0 1. So 0 0, when it is 0, and here also 0, here also 0, and here also 0. So it will be 0 for this one, as J is not changing, if K is changing, so it will be cross. Now 0 1, so here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 0, here it is 1. So 1 1, so I will write 1 here, and 0 1 it is changing, so cross here. Now 1 0, so this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0. So 0 1, it is changing, so I will write cross here, and 1 1, so I will write 1 here. Now 1 1 is this one, and 1 1 is this one. So 0 1, it is changing, so I will write cross here, and 0 0 is here, so I will write 0 here. So this is my excitation table, which I derived from the characteristic table, okay. And this characteristic table has been derived from the truth table. So 3 of the tables are interrelated to each other. So if we know our truth table, we can easily do our characteristic table as well as the K map for the Q bar. And if you do the excitation table,
then you can also do the K map for the J and the K, okay. So you will try that on your own. And so today's lecture ends here. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Now is the quote time. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. I hope all of you understood today's lecture, and Thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.